Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make these two-way fold-over elastic headbands, and I've got a standard version and adjustable version. And now the thing with these is they're slightly different than the standard headbands because, for one thing, you can put your bows this way. On fold-over elastic, the standard way to place them with the clip-on is this way, and as you can see, not all of our bows that we make are designed to sit on a child's head that way. So this way is absolutely perfect because depending on the bow style or the person's preference and how they like to wear it, it's just one teeny little thing extra to do, and you can make all your bows so you can wear them this way or this way, and it gives you more versatility for your customers or personal preferences. So it's really fun, really cute and really simple to do. And I have measurements here for both, but they will be in the description box below. So for the adjustable one, you want 50 centimeters of fold over elastic for the main part of the headband, 2 pieces of 4.5 centimeters for the little strap, and then you want 2 of these strap adjusters, and you need 1 centimeter strap adjusters, and this is what they look like. Okay. And then for the standard version, you need slightly less. You only need 30 centimeters of a fold over elastic and 2 pieces of 4.5 centimeters for the wrap round. So I will show you how to make the most basic one first, because it is slightly quicker. And with this, you take the lighter. I've already cut mine to 30 centimeters or 14 inches. And we're just going to heat seal all of our ends like this. Doesn't involve any sewing, it's just with the glue gun. What we want to do from the shiny sides, you want to cross them over so they make a cross shape like this, and we're going to wrap them round equally, because I find if you make it like a little parcel so that the centre is quite even, it gives it just a little bit of extra support when it's on the headband, and it makes the actual hair bow like a little bit more solid when you're using both ways. So like I said, just make that cross shape, make it nice and even. A little bit of glue there, fold that in, watch your fingers. It's a good job I can't feel anything anymore. And the time it hurts me now is if I get it on my actual nail, because that's hot. Got it on like 100 at the moment. So that's your first part. And then again, make sure your shining shutter side is out. A little bit of glue here. Glue your ends together. Turn it over like this, and you want this underneath, so that's against the shiny side there, look. And you want to move it so we're not going to see that line where we've just joined that together. Okay, and we're going to glue this side. There. And bring it round. I'm going to glue this side there. And fold that over. And then flip it this way. And you have got your perfect this way or this way, two-way fold over elastic headband. Okay, so that is one. Now for the adjustable version, and I've got 50 centimeters of fold over elastic here, the 2 times 4.5 centimeters, and 2 adjustable straps. And this is the look you get with the adjustable bit, and you can attach it both ways exactly the same as before. So what you want is your 2 strap adjusters, and I'll put a link in the description box below for you to be able to find them from Amazon. And you want to take one end, you want the shiny side through, so you've got a loop like this. Okay, and you want to do about 1 centimetre. And glue, and then this end, take this, bring it through, right, so you bring it through, shiny side, and then loop it over this way, and then bring it along to where you want your adjust bit to, and then thread it through here, so you've got this look. So it's threaded here, so we started with this one, threaded it over, and then loop that through like this. Now this is the trickiest part of this. Okay, on the main bit of the headband you want to pull this through, and from this side you want to make like a circle, so this is going to go through this and down, and then we're going to take this up and bring it through the other bit. There we go. Now on this, don't glue it to this side, so you don't want to glue that shiny to that flat. You want to glue flat to flat, so that non-shiny to that non-shiny. Okay, there we go. So we're making that loop, so that is the inner loop, and that is what we're gluing together. And again, do about 1 centimetre. Don't glue on your strap at all, your actual strap adjuster, and glue that side down, and then there you go. You've got a cute adjustable headband. This is what the front looks like, this is what it looks like on the back. So you've got your stick down there, you loop through here, and your stick is inside there. And then here we want to take our cross, and when you do this, do not glue inner. We never want to glue the inner, because that's where we're gluing it together to loop bow through. So never glue that back section to there. You want to do it from the sides only, otherwise you won't be able to get the alligator clip through, as I learned a minute ago because I wasn't paying attention and had to refilm and do a different colour headband than what I planned, because I wanted to do cute red and green or black and green to match the watermelon theme. It didn't quite work to plan. And then you want that this side down, flip it over, and again, don't glue this onto here. We want to leave that completely free. We're gluing the outer sides round the back. And there's me now dropping my glue gun everywhere, because once I start being clumsy, I get worse. Almost by the second some days. So there you go. That's wrapped round like this. And now with our bow, we can pop that through that way, or we can pop it through that way. And like I said, you've got two super cute adjustable standard, and you can have your bow this way or this way, and it gives you so many more options for displaying your bows, different ways that you can have your customer base wear your bows, or your children to wear the bows. More options for your styles, like your standard body dolly bows, bows like this, tail bows, etc. And it's so much easier to play around and have them exactly how the customer likes to have them sat on their head if they don't like them directly clipped in. Thanks for watching, bye.